Hello guys, welcome to another video. Welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you that how can you use the drill machine. So this is basically the drill machine which is malwakee, the brand. So I just want to tell you some bits about it, so which might be you know before that, or might be you don't know, just to gain your knowledge. As you know, I upload the videos about the daily hacks on my daily hacks channel. So let's crack on the video. So this is the drill machine of malwakee. So if you can see right here, that's a black button which is actually the power button of the drill machine. If you just press it, and you will see that it will start rotating. So that's actually your power button for all of the drill machines. So if you see the tiny button out here, that's basically your rotation. Like if you want to do the clockwise, you will press to other side. If you want to do the anti-clockwise, your drill bit, you want to move the drill bit to the anti-clockwise. So like that, if you see, it's moving like anti-clockwise. So if you press it again, so it will be start moving to the clock hand side. So the another things which I want to share with you is if you see on the top of the drill machine, that's actually your speed. If you can see that number two is basically your speed. So if I press, so it's show you the number 1 now. If I press the power button, you will see that's on the number 1 power. So this is basically move the drill bit slower than the number 2. So on every drill machine, most of the drill machines come with like hammering tools and only the drill things. So some of the drill machines have only the drill option. You can't do the hammering things like on the concrete. You can't drill into the concrete things. So I just want to tell you that the first option you see, that's actually the drill. You can see the drill bit, which I will tell you in another video. That's what it is actually. So this is actually your drill bit. So these three are actually the mode of your drill machine. So first one is only for the drilling. Like if you are doing like soft work, like you are drilling like into the wood or into the metal, which you don't need to do like anything like hard work on that. So this is actually your drill bits only. This one is actually the combined one, the middle one, which actually do the hammering as well, but as long it will do your drilling as well. So the last one is only the hammer. If you see, it's look like hammer. Basically hammer is used for the drilling into the concrete. If you are drilling into your bricks, so this mode will actually use to drill into that. So the another thing which is 2, 4, 6, these are actually your speeds. So if you are on the number 4, it will be run like 4 speed. It should be like 2. So the 18 is a like speed measurement of your drill machine. So on the bottom you will see that this 4.0, that's actually the ampere of your battery. This is actually the cordless drill. So this is the battery. So hope so my video will amaze you. So take care of yourself and follow my channel and subscribe daily hacks.